Friday njengeyi-25 ukomuntu uholile sokuziphethe imali ungenzani ungenzi ne-flash asisitesheni sokuzifuna imali ngitshela ngama-zap hayi wena muntu ngitshela ngama-zap wazotelela wena manje awungitshela ngama-zap muntu ngitshela ngama-zap awufuna ukukhulumana kuphela asabe wena manje muntu ngitshela ngama-zap
Yo, what up, YouTube?
Danger.
It's your boy Petrosificationalism. I am back again with another bang. So, today's video, Niaz, it's the day in the life of Petrosification. Yabo, I was waiting for the part. Yeah, it's another day. And fun na manyamala. Maybe a boring day for guys. I don't know, but yeah. Nung sang arang sa Chablanol. So bon ang siya gusto sa kalan, but like, comment, share. Let's get 100k out, man. 100k out. Yabo na you're keeping at life. Yabo na I'm shy. I'm on views. I'm shy. So guys, let's just subscribe. It's cool to see channel. Nice. Thank you.
Everybody want to know what I would do if I didn't win. I guess we'll never know.
Gents, you should be. Ish. Ngisathi la Chablan ish now my traffic up on my board. Bang misi. So now ish papa ni play them pants in face where I don't financing imali. But you ukuthi mfethu mangithembe ngiyabuya. Ngiyovundula nyana endlini mfethu. Ebribe ngoba bengaphethanga cash. Ish. I should be yo. I'll tell me one day say la. Ikaw. Should match unga champions kuthi ushaya video mara ushaya video ne. Mara champions. Ish ana yadlula la. Angina chance. Kumana ngawutshela mafodish khona la. From the inside, ka unga champions. Interview la. Sisindile antana upho singangibhala mara ngithi asithathanga ama information wami nana upho singangibhala mara ngisigayile yo ngiyabona kanti into yenzakala hey hlabeni Jojo is everything ayimeshubile mshaya ebeshubile kangibonanga la machita lawo hlisi camera right hlisi camera abasifihlile ntwana abasifihlile phansi azapha zisho kanjalo asemphambili desano France ngiyamtshela France baka 50 hayi man bakaqala ngithi ngicabanga uba gato end angithi ayi uFront uthamba number sokuyenza cash send ngithi ayish ngithi ngizame 50 le ngithi hayi manje noma ngicela ukushaya change la ngithi hayi mina labantu mina laba ngizowagada ithi angeke ngizowagada ithi afana ngitshela thama la manje thama la yabo ngoba de thama la mish kala nje kwenza lento le ngibuye ngizobhaka mara yo kumele ngilungise izinto zami yazi guys njalo sikhiphana neimali ayikho grand kumele ngilungise izinto zami but let's not let that get into our way. Let's continue with the video today. Sibheke ukuthi siphatheleni neimali shit 30 rand yami engaka damn bro Shayuta ya ama-break lawo ya inkinga ama-break Shayuta futhi ya okay futhi ya inkinga ama-break inkinga
yo bampathatha samampela
what's good YouTube
as a boy and your girl yeah boy
but mina continuous vlog angithi bebang amaphoyisa bewang konjani nawangibambile amaphoyisa so guys no ngivayisupalisi
ngisa ngayi kuyadlala
ngizile ngiyajika la thathi kadla yeah but hey yes good weekend nice weekend no game
yeah it was a nice
so nice man
nice so treiber man gabe
seki professional yabona kithwa kaltsoliwa
ulokala mambe
amaranka kalam but I never
Oi kalam.
One minute.
Multiple kalam. Oi kalam. Oh, akibanan.
Yeah, dake. So guys,
no, why?
Why
Le piensa ba yan tayo?
Yeah?
Le piensa ba yan tayo? Guess dance.
Keyboard.
Tutloy maphela na.
Prescription classes. Prescription. So yeah, show them who am I with. I can't do that because I'm driving. Yeah, but I'm with the queen right now.
The most prettiest girl in this whole world. In your whole life. Why not?
Akinga. Kanya. Bang. Rachola. Rachola.
Nanti utlaka batho ba mo channeleng ya go Rachola. Ba go tsolisa ka kane ba go shipa di matchmaker. Go tshwang ke go
Enzile bafethu.
Yona.
Mina ngithi ka Valentine ke kwathi na le trip as much. Yeah, and the Valentine's are this okay. Because of 2026, for 2016.
We don't care.
So,
So,
yeah, Luna girls come some previous part.
But you saw it now.
Ah, you should do one.
You saw some copy.
Kala. Kitchen was quite. Oh.
What's very game said it's a much.
Lina kike
Basathi
msethi mampona na
yakaba bali amafanele but mafanele ukubona la nto la the pothole la tukolo
I'll catch up with you guys later. But sisafuna like ukuthi bye bye
no
so then got to palace on my way home now. I'd like see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. I'm Shama or it's the days in my life. You can see my tickets and so see you guys tomorrow. Let me drive now. Keepy boy. Please. Guys, you know, inkinga zamanje seziningi. Kale lethe ikaka. Bazoyishaya la fast ngithole izinto zakhona and then yeah, nangamaji. Afana kithi. Yatake. Hey. Akakuzwa mina, yepta. Yes. Guys, as it born and I'll take the stand. Get the pie stand the feed abon. Ay, exas mo planting a munch. Get the pie stand the feed. Upon a send shitting up Nandigan, send a was one again. Drive, I'm gonna be doing more vlogs. Again, gentlemen, man, drive around into your ninja. Yeah. So tell me guys, what you think about these positions of downtown. But yeah, non sa Chicago machiten. Na Chicago machiten is the next day palace of Island. Sen Selena am sabana make sense is it. Contribution and what are duties? So, police are again sanitize and flungage. Sanitize. Ay, is it says. Got to glue in another English switch your fan. Open a session. Thing I tell. Yeah. I'm say grand because of the winter by Pabukana was a corner and I'm taking some. Yeah, take a chance. Nandi. I wasn't on a many time. Naksasa. Uzouze nje uzobona. Awuphi asibana aside Glenson Bridge. Yeah, let me stance list. Therefore, you should drive on the stance. Oh, unless a stance of it's a razor, you are supposed to. Oh, I still must say no. You're taking. I know offensive songs on bodies are like to drive around. You don't much. Much I sit those on. Much like I get a thing bad. I did good evening eating a tag. Good evening eating a tag. I want to ask most of the salvation. Most of the time, I'm eating a tag. Not allowed getting a 10 about 150 and they've been paid to 150 so I'm not getting out want to me change I'm gonna change so I tell I know since we bought my lane man so man figure lane can now eat you it's my lane 130 I'm telling them 100 but 100 I'm getting to for my organization it's my jazz art that's how it's all about so was of the one that was saying is that happens to the second imagine when I'm not sure if I saw second Yes, Coxa! Ay, osabona, susa lo mkuku wako. Pega lapta na. Ay! Hayi sithatha manje mfana ngithi. Hey ngikubonisa ukuthi no like bad idea.
Oh,
Yabona. Athi uzowasha mfana. Hey. Ay fuck. Hayi kompungu. Phambi kwabantu. Phela washa everyday. Yabo washa everyday.
Uyashaya isidlosi niwone ubabonisa ukuthi on air.
Ini?
Sifa umoya ubabonisa ukuthi.
Ya ngibabonisile ya. Na put it la nabona.
Scooby Doo.
Ya thank you mfethu manje. Hey kapa ngizile.
Ushawa namagiya.
Washa guys and then yeah sharp qedile ukwashikaka no ngilambe ngiyafa ngisayonto no hayi so ngawa sitesta lento le but ngibhayika ngasi ngiyakota ngiyane ngilambile but yeah thank you know yeah so if you like the video comment, share, and I'm a simple. 7 seats. If you like the video, comment, share, and subscribe. Notificationalism. I'm signing out there. For me, go. I'm not in age, but go to. Ngingakuthathi nje kumuntu omumbi hayi eish yeah go to 100,000 subscribers yeah it's a perfect notificationalism guys see you in the next video drive the cars. Valentine is coming. Where's your boyfriend? If you're sitting at home, lonely. Valentine is coming. Valentine is coming. But guys, yeah, see you in the next video, guys. You know, man. I wanna now, especially since I'm gonna be actually vlogging. Sigmal and totally self-esteem foods because of but I'm gonna be vlogging for his cards much. So it is I. It was a professionalism channel. See you in the next video. Yeah? Yasibona izinto sesijani mntana sekuvloga kamnandi no.
Sanibona yebo.
Hayi izinto sesidali.
Ngithola. Bengitshela wena awulaleli. Awulaleli noselanda ihloko. Yabo. Moshi imoto. Uzokwazi ukuzikhipha.
Lezi semo
Njengoba ifake.
Bye.
Unayo ngoba nayo into. Siza ngayifuthi intana mawe imechene ridings. Yeah.
Yasipayisi.
Yeah.
Usithole va wena Tumbethe.
Mara mamethi ngathi mnandi angithola.
Yeah, sure Ntwana. Uthole va wena Tumbethe.
Mamethi nyana
Sipake grand.
Na manyana na mamethi nyana wasemushi manje. Yangithola umlungu.
Mlungu.
Yeah. That is like umlungu wami. Happy people. Inakwewu.
Guys,
What's up, guys?
Yeah.
Police want to test a back with the mama. Kita cepet.
yeah.
Driving aku.
Makalaig bingin sa Jet angikhumbule bani. Ngifuna ukubona ukuthi izoba kanjani. Phela ngizososhawa ilanga sesibheke. Actor ngathi userious for a video. Batshele wa subscribe. Subscribe, guys.
100k subscriber.
Now it's not so bad. Ay, Tanayam, long time. Ay, yeah. What is so? Ay, Fi. I think he's okay, Tanayam. Rashid, Rushan, okay, Rushan. Yeah, say. Hola. Ay, Tanayam. I think.
Tanayam, kaya po umdiwa kila mapriki ne. Yeah, so mnandi driving.
Ubani?
Wena. Akumula mawuthi ngale bunjani.
Ay, Tanayam. Fi. Athi ke lisike. Yeah. Ay, breathe.
Awuwelo, pompa baba,
Pompa singachayi.
Antwana mele ngize iride yakho ntwana. Hayi.
Tanayam.
Ngangipomela engine baba. Ngathi wasazi ukudrive kanje. Anje yami ngikhumbulile ntwana. Bese ngithi hayi mele ngize ngizokuchecka. Inkinga ngizovaya mfethu.
Uzava emakhaya. Ukela zava?
It's them game. Ngiclash yakho iphansi ne? Opel.
Yeah.
Ndiko ngiyakubona.
Nale city le high ka wena yami kaka ngiyadrive.
Hayi drive. Mshayeli mfana. Antwana hayi. Shout out ntwana. Hayi push.
Asibonge Fifi Tanayam. Hey. Anazi lo mfana wase high school.
Ntwana.
Fi hawu. Zeno Rushan. Imagine ngibuyela vahle nafi.
Hayi buyele kasi mfana. Akasaplomeke hle.
Kastakolva.
Yeah, bo. Akasaplomeke hle nafi la mama.
Ploma pa.
West. Alo mele umshango S ntwana lo 3.
Iwaya.
Kanjiwa la ntwana. Hayi kasi lakho mara lelo.
Wena kawo. Excel yakho na ila. Ay Tanayam. Fifi. Ay. Afethu.
Yeah, ntwana.
Ngibona njalo.
Lile ntwana.
Hayi. Fifi. Anasona. That's what Tanayam. Afethu subscribe ani get that call.
Danger ingozi.